Hi everyone, welcome to Gen Z Analysis, and today I'm going to present to you how to use Microsoft Power Query for data cleaning, organizing, and merging as well as appending multiple sheets in Microsoft Excel. Before we proceed, I would like kindly to drop your subscription and comments and also suggestion on where we can improve so that we can be competent in Microsoft Excel. You know that's multiple organizations, they use Microsoft Excel for data cleaning, and most of the people, they're using different formulas to clean their data in a normal sheet. But Power Query is one among the simplified tool in Microsoft Excel to clean your data very easy and save your time. So today I'm in this presentation, I hope you're gonna understand the cleaning process, organizing process in using Microsoft Power Query. So I will teach you what is Power Query and how to use it. For those who don't understand, Microsoft Power Query is one among the tools that used to clean data. In Microsoft Power Query, we have different options that you can use to clean your data and ensure your data are clear and understandable before any analysis. So how we can get Power Query in Microsoft Excel? A simple way to get a Power Query in Microsoft Excel is just you can open an empty Microsoft workbook, and then in different Microsoft workbook here, you will go to the data tab. And data tab at your left hand, you can see get data here, get data options. So if you go to get data, you can choose different options like where is the file you want to clean. My file that I want to clean is in form of Excel workbook. So I will choose from file. From file, I will choose from Excel workbook. So if your file is in terms of CSV, you can just click CSV. But to me, I will click Excel workbook. You just wait some time because Power Query takes some time to open. Yes, here I got the options where my data is that I can upload in Microsoft Power Query. My data is in the analysis, and you can scroll. Maybe you saved your data in new volume or in other file. You can just scroll until you get your location where you saved your data. So I'll click Gen Z analysis, and I have only one Microsoft file here. Then I will double click to open. Also, you can just wait some few minutes while Microsoft Excel is processing Power Query. Yeah, here we have navigator where this navigator is just a direction to go to the Microsoft Power Query. And if you have maybe different worksheet in your Excel workbook, you will select multiple, and this navigator will allow you to check, put a tick in those multiple sheets. But to me, I have only one Microsoft sheet, so there's no need for me to click select multiple items. I will just select the file that I want to clean, and here the navigator will open to me what is in the file that I select. Then if I approve and this is the right file I want, then I will click transform here at the bottom, transform data. Then your Microsoft will process your data into query. So this is the Microsoft Power Query Editor. This is the look for the Microsoft Power Query Editor, and we have different tabs here. We have file, we have form, we have transform, add column, we have view column. This is mostly used for data cleaning. And whatever you are doing in Microsoft Power Query Editor, in this applied step here at the right side, the process will be noted here. So if you want maybe to remove that process, you will just click this X sign to remove the process. So whatever you are doing, the Power Query editor will record your process here. And this is the property name of the sheet, where my sheet was called sheet 1. And we have different column as well as the filter button. So we are going to the cleaning process. Here, when I see my data, I have the region, I have the empty column, I have the development aid in each region, and I have development aid in each region, which is repeated column. I have 2019 Gen Z population, aid per capita, as well as number of Gen Z employed. Like in this region, we have the null cell here where I want to remove it. So if you see this data, you will understand that one among the way to clean this data is to remove this null column and null Excel here. And we see here at the bottom of this Power Query Power Query sheet, we have the region column 2, 2019 development. We have Gen Z population, aid capital, and number of Gen Z employed. So you will just also click filter button. You will just also click filter button to get understand and familiarity of the data that you have. So one among the way which we can use to just remove a null cell or hypothesis, a null cell or null column is just to uncheck the null button. Then you click OK. Then you will see we don't have a null column, a null cell in this region column. But also this region is in Word format is okay because region is in terms of Word format. Here we have the empty column. This is the empty column. When you click filter button, you will see this is empty column. So we don't want this column. So you will just highlight the column and click here in the remove options here. Then you can choose remove column. Yeah, remove column. We have remove column or remove other column. If you click remove column, it will just remove the existing column that you clicked. But if you click remove other column, it will remove all the other column except the one that you clicked. So to me, I don't want the clicked column. I will remove column. Yeah. Then we are going to the second column, of which is 2019 development aid in each region, which is okay. But this column has been repeated to this one, and I don't want the second one. I will also remove column. Here, the same procedure, remove column. And we have Gen Z population, which is okay. We have aid per capita, which is okay. And aid per capita is in terms of number, but here the format include the number of the word, so the number and the word. But I only want this aid per capita to be in numbers, and this number is allowing decimal number. So I will click decimal number. I will click decimal number format. We have number of Gen Z employed, which is right. So apart from that, we have different options to clean your data. You can go to the transform tab, where transform tab you have transpose. If you want to transpose your data, your table, you can just use transpose to transpose. If you want to fill here, you want to fill down or up, you can just choose. If you want to split column, this is the best way to split column. And also we have to extract. If you want to extract your data by delimiter, you can just go in this extract position. And we have other formats to clean your data. We have also add column, where you can add different column. You can also check duplicated column and remove them. This is the best way. So let's get back to the home tab. If you want to replace also value, we have replace options here. And we have use first row as headers. You can just click. You want to use first row as header here, but to me, I have headers here. I don't want to use this. So next video, I'll teach you how to use merge and the append column in this combined file. So from here, if you see our data is clearly cleaned. So let's take an example. If you have maybe you want to remove some spaces into your Excel, or you have the mixture of capital and small letters and you want to change your letters, the best way is to go to the Transform tab. And if you go to the Transform tab here, at the format, you will click format and you get different options. If you want to trim your data, you want to clean, you want to capitalize each word, uppercase or lowercase. This is a simple way than using Microsoft Excel sheet, where you will just write the formula, of which it takes some time to clean. But here you can just click, like in this column, I want to format it to capitalize each word. Then you click, each word will be capitalized. Then if you want another column, maybe uppercase, you will just click. And remember that whatever we are doing here is being written in the applied step. So I don't want uppercase the text, I will just click the X button and it will remove. Then I don't want to even capitalize each word. I want the existing format because my data was formatted well and I want the existing format. So I'll also remove this step. So we have finally succeed to remove the blank column as well as blank row, to change the format of each column and to change the case of each word here. After there, I want to just move my data from Power Query, because you cannot do your analysis in Microsoft Power Query. Power Query is used for cleaning, so you need to move your data, to cross and load your data to normal cell. So just click cross and load, and it will load your data into a normal worksheet. As you can see here, we have our data, and the Power Query here is saying that 71 rows loaded. If you put your cursor here, you can also get to understand what your data is really look like. So I don't want these options, and I don't want the worksheet button to still continue showing in my normal Microsoft Excel. So this is your data, and you have filter button here. You see that your data is well arranged and organized. Please remember to subscribe in this video. Thank you.